Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification button so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. So today, you can already see from the title, I'm going to be doing a Trader Joe's haul. So, okay, this is not my first time going to Trader Joe's. I went before, but I didn't get any groceries. I just stopped through and got snacks because that was before I lived near one or within driving distance of one. So I just got snacks and went on down the road because, you know, you can't travel with groceries. So the times that I went before, I just got snacks. I didn't get groceries, but today I went down there specifically to get groceries. And I'm going to show y'all what I got. Everything that I got is mainly just for me to eat on because I already got groceries for what I'm going to feed my kids. And as I've said before, I don't make them eat how I eat. I found that if I just let them choose to try, you know, some of the things that I cook for myself, they usually end up liking it and wanting to eat anyway instead of me trying to force it on them. So yeah, I don't make them eat how I eat. So this little haul is food that is going to be specifically for me. And if they want to try it, then they can have some. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm going to do the cold stuff first because Trader Joe's is an hour away from my house, so some of my cold stuff, you know, has been sitting in my car until I got back home for an hour. So I'm gonna do some of those cold things first, like the things I need to go in the freezer and stuff. The first thing is this mango mini mochi. It's some kind of ice cream. A thin sheet of traditional mochi is wrapped around a bite-sized nugget of a deliciously fruity mango sorbet, and it is non-dairy. And I saw Kayla Lachey show this in one of her Trader Joe's hauls, and I was like, you know what, that sounds good. So when I saw it, I picked it up. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in the freezer. Like I said, it's been sitting in my car, so I'm gonna put this in the freezer. I also got some strawberries. It's a regular old thing of strawberries. They're not organic, they're just regular strawberries. And they smell really, really sweet. Next up, which they are really thawing out from the heat, are the mango chunks for smoothies or whatever you really like to use frozen fruit for. Even just to eat, like right now, these are really thawed out. So that might be a good way to eat them too. But yeah, I got some mango chunks. And I got some salmon. I got the Wild Alaskan Socket-Eyed Salmon Boneless Fillets. They had, you know, other options. They had some that were already cut up like in the strips, but they were farm raised. And I have heard many and plenty of times that wild caught salmon is better and healthier. So I got that. I also got a bag of organic baby spinach for smoothies, my eggs, or to throw in my stir fry, whatever I want to use it for. Then I got 2 bags of broccoli florets for stir fry purposes or just as a side for my meal prep. So I got 2 bags of those. And I got some zucchini in a pack. It comes with 3 in there. I got this for stir fries. Also, yeah, if you haven't caught on yet, I plan on doing a stir fry for my meal prep, and this is what I have all of this green for. Over here, I have some gluten-free buttermilk pancake and waffle mix, obviously for pancakes and waffle gluten-free. I also got some trimmed and cleaned green beans, pre-washed, ready to eat, microwavable. I got this also for stir fry or just to use as a side. So yeah, I got some green beans. I also got this pack of brown rice. It has 3 different bags in there with brown rice that you just pop in the microwave, because if you have not cooked brown rice before, you know brown rice takes forever. And for me, it's a little hit and miss. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's, you know, hard. So yeah, I decided to get this as well because I saw Kayla Lachey. I actually seen a lot of people use this brown rice. So I decided to get this just to make my meal prep easier. So yeah, brown rice. And this needs to go in the freezer as well. Also, I got some mild pico de gallo salsa, which I probably could have made myself, but it was already there and already made, so I just got it already in the container. I got some General Tso Tsao, whatever. I say General Tso, whatever. So it's stir fry sauce, but I love this sauce. Like usually well, I don't get it anymore, but when I was going to Chinese restaurants, I would always get General Tso's chicken. So at first I picked up the soyaki while I was at Trader Joe's. I picked up the soyaki sauce, but when I saw this one, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get that one. So I got this one for my stir fry that I plan to do for my meal prep. I also got a jar of mixed nut butter. This has dry roasted and salted almonds, cashews, walnuts, Brazil nuts, hazelnuts, and pecans. And it sounds like it's gonna be so good. So I picked that up. I also picked up a grinder, a Himalayan pink salt crystal grinder. Now I picked this up. I already have a bag of pink Himalayan salt, but I picked this up specifically for the grinder. So yeah. And as a snack, which is, I hope it's not milk, but if it is, I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. I picked up this cold brew coffee chocolate bar. Sounds good, right? It's a chocolate coffee bar with cold brew coffee caramel filling, and it sounds like it's gonna be so good. Then I got some sliced white mushrooms. I love mushrooms. I put them in my stir fries. I put them in my eggs. I put them in spaghetti sauce. I put it in whatever I want to put it in. I also picked up 2 green peppers, green bell peppers. I also got, for the first time, I've seen this in a lot of places, and I got this Ezekiel bread. It is sprouted with 100% whole grain bread. It's organic and all that, and my favorite thing about it is the scripture, obviously, which is why it's called Ezekiel bread. Ezekiel 4:9. As described in the Holy Scripture verse, take also unto thee wheat and barley and beans and lentils and millet and spelt, and put them in one vessel and make bread of it. So yeah, that's where this comes from. It's a complete protein. So yeah, I see a lot of people eating this, so I'm like, hey, it's got to be good. So I picked that up just to try it out, and I'm definitely gonna try it out with that mixed nut butter with some honey and bananas on top, and I'll sprinkle some chia seeds on top. So yeah, I got some Ezekiel bread. And lastly, I got a dozen large brown eggs. And I also heard they are better for you than just traditional white eggs. Now I was looking for cage free, but I didn't see any. So yeah, I got just the large brownies. So yeah, that is my Trader Joe's haul. And to be perfectly honest, I'm gonna be honest here, I honestly think Trader Joe's is overrated. I really believe it's overrated. Like the hype that you see about it on YouTube and social media and all that, like I don't get it. They have everything that regular grocery stores have. They just put their name on it in a different package, and to me it's not all that much cheaper than just like a regular grocery store. And I've shopped at a lot of grocery stores, but I don't see myself driving an hour just to go to Trader Joe's, just to go to Trader Joe's to get my groceries. Like I will continue to stay in my town and get my groceries because I just don't see the hype. Like I don't. Yeah, they have a few things, you know, that you probably won't be able to pick up, you know, but for the most part, everything I got here is everything that I would have gotten at Walmart. So, and the prices aren't all that much cheaper, to be honest. So I really do feel like Trader Joe's maybe a smidge overrated, or a lot overrated, or overhyped. So if you don't have one near you and you've been wanting to go, you're not missing out on much, trust and believe me. So yeah, that is my Trader Joe's haul, and I will probably also be doing a meal prep video when I make my stir fry, depending on how I feel. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.